If you want to maintain your privacy while using ProtonMail, hiding your online status can be an effective way to do so. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Log into your ProtonMail account. Open your web browser and navigate to the ProtonMail website. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to privacy settings. In the settings menu, find the section labeled privacy or security. Click on it to access the privacy-related options for your account. Step 4. Adjust online status settings. Within the privacy settings, look for an option related to online status or visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status settings, make sure to save any changes you made. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the settings page and click it. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on ProtonMail, enhancing your privacy while using the service.